Good afternoon to one and all present here. As correctly said by Thomas Watson, to be successful, you have to have your heart in your business and your business in your heart. Come, let's explore the business world together with Business Square 2021. Before we start with the quiz, let me introduce you all with the teachers on duty. I, Uday Singh, is the quiz organizer and will be checking the time limits. Ms. Gunjan Marwa is your anchor of the day. Ms. Chavi Malhotra will be jotting down the marks on the scoreboard. Ms. Upasna Chabra is the IT support person and Ms. Mansi Tandon will be presenting the screen. Now, Gunjan ma'am would like to introduce you all with the teams and its participants.
Good afternoon to all. Now I would like to introduce you all with the teams and its participants. Our first team is Team A with participants Deeksha of class 12, Himanshi of class 12, Varun of class 11 and Anshu of class 11. Our second team is Team B comprising of Neha of class 12, Akshita of class 12, Vineet of class 11 and Prince of class 11. Moving on to our third team, Team C, consisting of Rashi of class 12, Vansh of class 12, Kavya of class 11 and Piyush of class 11. I welcome all the participants and wish them luck. Now I would like to give you the overview of the quiz. We have 6 rounds in total, namely MCQ round, hit the tagline, concept identification, logo identification, identify the brand, and the last round is guess who am I. So are you all ready for the quiz? Let us start with our first round, that is MCQ round. Rules for this round are, there are 6 questions in this round, that is 2 questions for each team, which will be asked one by one to each team. There are 4 options for each question. You have to choose the correct one. Plus 10 for the correct answer. No negative marking is there in this round. 10 seconds will be given for each question to each team. So, the first question is for Team A. What is the full form of P and G? Profit and gain, Procter and Gamble, Promise and gain, Price and Gamble. Second round. When you hear the phrase, the taste of India, the first thing that comes to your mind is probably a mood. Tagline is short, easily remembered phrase that a company uses in its advertisement, especially on television or on the internet, so that the people will recognize it and its product. It is a good way to add character to your brand. So, you all might have guessed. Yes. Our next round is hit the tagline. Rules for this round are, there are 6 taglines in this round, that is 2 taglines for each team, which will be asked one by one to each team. You have to guess the brand to which the tagline belongs, plus 10 for the correct answer, minus 5 for the incorrect answer. 10 seconds will be given for each question for the answer. So, the first tagline is for Team A, and that is, the best or nothing. That is concept identification. Concept means an idea or a basic principle. When we talk of concept, it signifies deep knowledge about the product. So, today let's check out our conceptual knowledge of principles of management by identifying which principle is applicable here to which video. Rules for this round are, in this round, 3 videos will be shown, that is 1 video for each team. You have to identify the concept highlighted in the video. plus 20 for the correct answer, minus 10 for an incorrect answer. 10 seconds will be given to you to identify the concept. So the first question followed by the video is here on the screen for team A. You have to identify the principle of management highlighted in the upcoming video as portrayed by the driver of the car. I repeat, as portrayed by the driver of the car. And the video is here on your screen, team A. But it is a symbol for a brand. A logo is a symbol or other small design adopted by an organization to identify its product. Yes, you guessed it right. Our next round is logo identification. Rules for this round are, in this round, 6 logos will be shown on the screen, that is 2 logos for each team. You have to identify the brand to which this logo belongs. Plus 10 for the correct answer, minus 5 for an incorrect answer. 10 seconds will be given to each team to identify the logo. Our next logo is for team B and it is here on your screen. Identify the brand. Creativity without strategy is called art. Creativity with strategy is called advertising. Rules for this round are, in this round, 3 advertisements will be shown, that is 1 advertisement for each team. You have to identify the brand name of the product which is associated with the advertisement. Plus 20 for the correct answer, minus 10 for an incorrect answer. 10 seconds will be given to each team to give the answer. That is, guess who am I? Very correctly said. Just because you are a CEO, don't think you have landed. You must continually increase your learning, the way you think and the way you approach the organization. In this round, 6 personalities will be shown, that is 2 personalities for each team. You have to identify the name of the business personality. Plus 20 for the correct answer, minus 10 for an incorrect answer. 10 seconds will be given to each team to identify the business personality. So the first business personality is for team A and it's here on your screen. Your time.
Anand Mahindra.
To please conclude the quiz.
Thank you, Gunjan ma'am. I would like to invite respected Jatin sir and respected principal ma'am to please announce the scores and declare the winning teams.
It was wonderfully, conducted, this Quora, Business Quora, and if I see the result, this is Team A. Team A is with 105 points and Team C is with 90 points, and now I think it's very much clear. The winner team is the Team B with 120 points. Congratulations to Team B for getting 120 marks, the highest marks till now. So congratulations to the winners and to the teachers who have conducted it today, and very nicely done. To all the participants also, congratulations. At least you were nominated to participate in this. Thank you very much to all of you for having this quiz today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your precious time and valuable suggestions. As announced by Principal Ma'am, the winner is Team B with 120 points. I congratulate Team B who win this business square and well done Team A and C for their effortful participation. Well done all of you, and thank you for being a part of this business square. Thank you.